There are very few bodybuilders who love lifting ultra-heavy weights. No one was stronger than him in his time, except King Ronnie Coleman. When he trains in the gym, everyone is scared of his energy and workout intensity. There are some serious traps in the industry that no one has. He built these traps by lifting insanely heavy weights. He lifts the weight like a bull. His heaviest bench press is 546 pounds. His heaviest squat is 828 pounds. And his greatest deadlift is 832 pounds. These are some serious lifts.
Dumbbell, one-arm row, also is one of my favorite exercises. Training is I've got to feel comfortable. I got to have a certain feel to really turn on and get that necessary power and anger, out of me to lift a certain way, to lift a certain weight. The atmosphere of the gym is huge. You definitely feel different from place to place. Metroflex, anytime I go into that, any time of the day, I feel like a giant. I feel like I can lift anything I put my hands on. I walk into 24-hour fitness, walk into LA Fitness, somewhere like this.
Johnny Jackson, born on January 30th, 1971, in Hamilton, New Jersey, is renowned as both a powerlifter and an IFBB certified professional bodybuilder. Before pursuing bodybuilding, he served in the military and participated in both Operation Desert Storm and Desert Shield. Since 2004, Jackson has been a regular competitor in the Mr. Olympia competition. Due to his impressive size and powerlifting background, Jackson is often hailed as one of the strongest bodybuilders. In 2009, he claimed the title of Mr. Olympia's World's Strongest Professional Bodybuilder by benching 523 lbs. Although this achievement was later surpassed, Jackson earned his IFBB Pro League status by emerging victorious in the NPC Nationals in 2001, making his professional debut at the GNC Show of Strength in 2002. He placed 10th. Despite not clinching top positions initially, his muscular physique, highlighted by prominent traps and a thick upper body weighing over 230 pounds, garnered considerable attention from fans and sponsors. In 2003, Jackson made his first appearance at the Mr. Olympia, securing the 11th position. Subsequently, after After numerous competitive endeavors, he achieved his first professional victory in 2006 at the Montreal Pro Championships. And sheer brute power. Effortlessly performed 10 reps of side laterals with 100-pound dumbbells. He claims to have completed 8 upright rows with 405 pounds, a weight most would not dare attempt once. In competition, he surpassed his previous 814-pound deadlift record 11 years later, and 41 with an official raw pull of 830 pounds. His best powerlifting total is 2,227, which includes a 540-pound bench press and an 826-pound squat. To further cement his prowess, he won the world's strongest bodybuilder title at the Olympia in 2009.
The energy inside the gym, it definitely, predicts a lot of how your workout is going to end up being.
Reaching such heights requires a specific mindset. Much of Jackson's training discipline and life philosophy stem from his time in the armed forces, where he served in Desert Shield and Desert Storm. Jackson recommends adjusting macronutrient proportions based on individual preferences and observing the body's response. His personal diet is broadly divided into 50% protein, 40% carbohydrates, and 10% fats. While acknowledging that some individuals may gain weight more quickly with carbohydrates and fats, Jackson emphasizes their importance alongside protein for energy and muscle building. Jackson suggests customizing macronutrient proportions according to individual preferences and assessing the body's response. His personal diet typically consists of 50% protein, 40% carbohydrates, and 10% fats. While Jackson acknowledges that some individuals may have body types prone to faster weight gain with carbohydrates and fats, he emphasizes the importance of these nutrients, similar to protein, for energy and muscle building. Despite not achieving high placements in Mr. Olympia, Jackson excelled in numerous other competitions. Jackson surpassed nearly everyone in terms of longevity, even outlasting Warren. Year after year, as new professionals emerged and faded away, Jackson remained a constant presence. While he had only secured 2 professional titles before turning 40, he doubled that number afterward and competed in 38 contests. In 2017, at the age of 46,